Chapelton of Elsick is a 810 hectares, 2,000 acres, new town in Aberdeenshire, Scotland, 16 kilometres, 9.9 miles, south of Aberdeen. The town is adjacent to the A90 beside Newtonhill. Chapelton will have good transport links with the A90 to the east, the Aberdeen Western Peripheral route Stonehaven Fastlink to the west, and the Portlethen train station nearby. Detailed planning permission has been granted for the first 802 houses, which is 10% of the planned size of the town once completed. AJC Homes, 0C, and Stephen started constructing the first homes in 2014. Town layout. Chapelton has 7 neighbourhoods. The first 4 to be built is Cairnhill, Chapelton Town Centre, Wester Cairnhill and Newhalls. There are another 3 neighbourhoods in the second half of Chapelton, which will be built after in 2023. Each neighbourhood has basic amenities such as shops, bus stops and schools. There is a new park and ride at the Newtonhill junction, and there will be a new junction at Portlethen and on the AWPR, so the town has good access to Aberdeen, Dice and Dundee. The groundbreaking to mark the start of construction happened on the 2nd of October 2013 at Elsick House. Elsick House is going to be part of the town centre when the town is complete. Hume Square, the first of several neighbourhood focal points, is complete, hosting a coffee shop, tea cake, and a nursery. An art installation in the form of an old-style red phone box with a colour-changing light show sits on the square, adding character. The development at Chapelton is all about placemaking. The design takes a lead from the towns and villages in the local area, and the influence of this is evident. This includes things like the connectivity of the street and pedestrian lanes, and the architecture and materials used both in the construction of the properties and also built into the public realm. As a result, Chapelton is full of places that are special. The back lanes with their granite set details, the parking courts which have a sense of enclosure and containment, and Hume Square itself with its already established planting, granite curbs and plinth for the display of art and sculpture. Stone used to form some of the plot boundaries are sourced from the immediate local area, and other boundaries include estate fencing and beach hedging. House styles in Chapelton vary from 2-bedroom flats to 5-bedroom family homes. Most houses in Chapelton are 2 stories high, but some can be less. The architecture of the houses' exteriors have slate roof tiles and lime hall. The architecture has a traditional feel. All developers are working to the design code produced by and controlled by the landowner team, Elsick Development Company. The master planning architect retains control of the layout, and they work closely with the developers to ensure that streets, lanes, public spaces and the buildings that contain the public spaces make their contribution and maintain the architectural quality of Chapelton. Architectural details and materials in the first phase include slate roofs, timber windows, sash and case to public elevations, dorsma windows, timber linings to some extensions and garages, corrugated metal roofing, and some properties have working chimneys for wood-burning stoves. Floor-to-ceiling heights are generous, allowing for a more traditional window proportion and better internal light. Chapelton of Elsick website. AJC Homes, 0C. Stephen Homes. See also Bannerman Baronets. Burn of Elsick. Elsick House. Elsick Mount.